on this campsite tonight. So I had a nice warm shower, and we're snoring already. Look at him. So we're just gonna have a drink.
You're still shell shocked from that mega waterfall, aren't you, mate?
Yeah. So I'm just gonna settle in for night now. It's not late though, is it?
No.
What time is it? It is 4:06. I tell you what, while there, I'm gonna show you something now. There's an app on my phone for cheap diesel and cheap petrol. I'll show it you. Hang on, I don't know if it'll come up there. That one bottom there, petrol prices. I'll put it on screen anyway. But basically what you do is you just put in what you want, diesel, and it comes up with a list of petrol stations, and how far, just press a button, it takes you straight to the cheapest one. Like today I was in Wrexham and I needed some diesel for diesel litre, and it was everywhere was 141 for diesel. The cheapest I saw 141. I went on app and I got it for 134 within about 6 minutes down the road. Well, 134 to 141 is a big difference, so I'll put it, just might help somebody out, you never know, do you? But it's a free app, and I use it quite a lot. It's quite good, so I'll put that on screen so you can have a look. Right, we'll catch you tomorrow morning. Don't know what we're doing yet. Bye for now. Alright, good morning everybody. We are on this campsite called James Campsite, just outside Wrexham. This is where we parked last night, just there. I think they're having a lot of work done. And there's a main road just down there, which was where we come here. That main road down there was quite noisy, but other than that, slept alright. Plans today. Oh yeah, it cost me £32 last night, but showers was okay. It's just this time of year there's few and far between, isn't there, that's open, so I didn't have much choice. But yeah, 32 quid. So I paid that and had a decent shower. Charge things up. Just taking Henry for a walk through this bit of a wood. And I think we're going to be going to have a look at this waterfall. Can't remember its name, I'll put it on screen now. So we're going to have a cup of tea and then set off to there. It's about an hour away from here. Right, we'll catch you in a bit. Bye for now. A while ago, plastic surgery was a taboo subject. You talk about Botox now, nobody raises an eyebrow.
Nice.
Made it to this waterfall, so we'll it's not far, I can see it from here. Nice stream. I'll catch you back up when I get further up. Just the surrounding area looks impressive, doesn't it?
Yeah, look at that camper there.
I know. What's that for there? You got to pay, is that toilet? You got to pay for the toilet? Yeah. Tourist toilet. That's funny, isn't it? They're going closer, look. They're going closer. That's a dodgy head. Yeah, the bridge is just here, look. It's not far. Fish that through. Come on, dog, you get your head chopped off. Bit of rough terrain here. Again. You're out with dog. Look at it. That's from a type of Jurassic Park.
Right?
That's from a type of Jurassic Park. Right. He's going to get down now. That was impressive, isn't it? Well, as you can see, we've made it to the waterfall. Look how good that is. That's amazing. It's even amazing that way. Well, that's unbelievable, that, isn't it? Hey? I need to let me put the camera out there. That'll do it, look. I don't know if you can hear me over this water, but very impressed with that. Right, we'll go back to the van. That was a bit dodgy coming down that way. Going that way? Well, it says you can go further up, but I'm assuming, I mean, there's a path there. You can, it looks like you can walk all the way up there and all the way up there. I don't know how far you get. You're not going to see it there, no. You better views down here, isn't it? I mean, look at that. That's dead good, isn't it? It's amazing, isn't it, really?
Yeah, coming down there, look.
Welcome back. We're back on the ledge. Thought we'd come here tonight. We're on his own. Nobody here with us tonight. Blowing heck. That wind's blowing that way. Might turn it around actually. Yeah, they've forecast snow tonight. So I mean, we're on top of a bloody mountain here, so it's a bit of a risk, but we'll just have to assess it, see what happens. We'll have something to eat. I think there is snow over there. probably not be able to see it, but just about there, right on top. Looks like there's snow on that hill. We'll see. Yeah, I'm going to spin it round because wind's blowing that way. Oh, I'll catch you in a bit. We parked here last night and this lay-by just outside of the road. It was dark. We didn't even know where we were, to be fair. We stopped on the ledge for a bit, and then it started snowing. So I moved down into near a place called Trevor car park there that we've been to before. But then a load of boy racers turned up about 11:30. And they were still there about 12:15 doing donuts and backfiring. Cars were backfiring, snowballs hitting van. So I just decided to go. There were about 10 cars, and you just don't know how long they're going to be there, do you? So we just set off and probably drove about 15-20 minutes. Ended up at this place here. That's where we ended up. Well, literally that village is just down there and Van's there. But I've just come to take Henry walk. Just taking Henry a walk, and there's a little path here outside this gate. Didn't even realise it, but it's side of a river. So I'm going to take Henry down that path. Can't beat a river, can you? Right, so I'm going to take Henry down this path, and I'll catch you in a bit. The river has been as high as these steps here. Looking at that. All this debris here, look. So if it come up to there, that's very high. I think it's the River Dee. I'm not 100% sure on that. Oh, I've just been down there with Henry. I'm going to take him back now. Alright, back at the van. Have some breakfast and set off home. We're only about an hour and 50 minutes from home. Cat's got diesel heater on. I will end that video there. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you've not done so already, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.